First things first, you'll be needing your Nora material to create your sew pattern. So I'm drawing out my sew pattern on my Nora material, and I'm using a white pen. I'll list all the materials you need for you in another video. This is more like a basic video, so all materials will be listed out. So after drawing the pattern on my Nora, I'm cutting it out with my scissors. Like I said earlier, you need a sharp scissors and a blunt scissors. Your blunt scissors is used to cut out your materials like your Nora, your fiber, your mako. Your sharp scissors is for your leather. So here I'm just trying to measure out where I want my heel to be for this simple slide. So I don't want it too long. So that's what I'm trying to carve out here and cut out. I'm using a thick Nora material. It's popularly called a Nora heel in the market. Nora heel material or Nora 6 in the market. So I'm just marking out where I'll be using my sandpaper machine to scratch so that gum would penetrate easily, and that's what I'm doing here. So that the gum would be, there will be easy application of gum. So you need your filing machine or your hand file, which is like a sandpaper for this part, which is what I'm doing here. I'm just using the hand machine to roughen those parts very well. So after doing this, I'm going to dust it out and then apply my gum on it. And this is what I'm doing here. I'm applying my gum and I'll leave it to dry until the gum is no longer sticking to my hand, until it's no longer sticky. That's when you know that okay, your gum is properly dried. I'm using the type of gum that we call Osea in the market, so I'm just checking to see if it's sticky, and then I'm placing my sew on the heel like that. After this, I'm going to hammer it very well to cement them together, which is what I'm doing here, cementing them together. So the next part, now I'm going to file it because I want everything to be even, to be the same. So I'm going to just put my gum around the edge like you see me doing here, and I'll take it to the filing machine to smoothen it out and make everything even. So that's the next step now. So I'm here in my filing machine. I'm using the rough part that is made from sandpaper, rough sandpaper, to file first, so that this one it files a lot faster than the smooth. So after I'm done with the rough, I'm coming to smoothing it out with my smooth stone filer to give the edge a smooth round edge. And after this, you are done with your sew creation. So I'll see you guys